KMRSounds.
If a family they use mind game for you, imagine what other people will do.
Rumors them spreading, rumors them spreading. Fi boot up them judging. Yeah, man. Do it for clout. Bloggers do it for views. What out? Smart the for me when time la boss never open on the roof. You know rumors spread. The lies always quicker than the truth. They know smart the for me when time la boss never open on the roof. Hey, I that you woulda want hear. I that you sit down and think. Me tell mommy say now we about people where third pipeline and zinc. When it bust that done dry wall can't fix. What about bricks and far from rich? This a don't miss front part of light, back part of chip. Tell the cave we no see where dog down with. One in a toilet if you no want talk. Short temper with a tall. In a roadside friend walk past him. Hey, rumors them spreading. Rumors them spreading, but pass me that split that we took up a bread. Me and such man cat it that bit get ready. And we no take chat, nah take telling this me. You will get brains and virgin. One of your yard got cover me already like Chinese telephone. I saw them do a message but do it for clout. Vloggers do it for views. What up? For me when time la boss never open on the roof. You know rumors spread. The lies always quicker than the truth. They know smart tough for me when time la boss never open on the roof. The thing tough than diamond dog. We run the highland, you can't style man. Party nice man, junk bust a wild one. One chicky crowd, some be a vibe man. I can lift up millions every night. And gold chain and no stainless like frying pan. You know me left on my right hand. But wait man. Okay. Rumors them spreading. Rumors them spreading. But bag a care when time a Uber. Them taking but badness when them have a group at virgin. Do it for clout. Bloggers do it for views. What out? Smart the put off for me when time la boss never open on the roof. You know rumors spread. The lies always quicker than the truth. They know smart the put off for me when time la boss never open on the roof.
A small mind game lead to big mind game. The same uncle that we set you up. Cause him a try use mind game.